So for dinner tonight in the Paris hotel, we decided to try Gordon Ramsay.
Amazing. Beautiful. Thank you so much.
And the last type of oyster. So fresh. Check this out. Woo-hoo-hoo. There we go. Monster tail. Whoa, check this out. All ready to go. So good. This is king crab legs, one of my favorite seafood to eat. Let's check it out. That's really yummy. Oh, look at that big chunk of king crab meat. A little bit of salt, a little bit of butter. Whoa. All done. Everything was delicious. So these little seaweed that comes as decoration, I was wondering if it was edible, so I tried it and it was crunchy seaweed and it's actually edible. And it doesn't really taste anything, but the texture of each one is very interesting. So for example, this one here, when I had it, super crunchy. This one here, a little bit chewy. So this is the seaweed. Trying out the decoration on the tray. I mean, would I choose to eat it? No, it's a little bit salty, it's crunchy. It's interesting.